Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna tell you about how you can fix your power button opens Google Assistant problem in your POCO smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start, friends. First, you can see this when I just long press the power button, you can see Google Assistant is enabled. How you can remove this feature from your phone? So first you have to open your settings, swipe down, and here it is additional settings. You have to simply click on power button, and here it is power, press and hold the power button. You can see this, and then you have to click on power menu. This option is disabled now, and press back. When you just click on the power button, you can see the power menu. The Google Assistant is not showing. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.